Okay, I'm continuing from the last video. Actually, in the last video, I needed to show you. I forgot one thing to show you actually. So this is the grid we just created there, and this is showing here. But here you can see the image is same as I just duplicated this one. So both of them are same actually. So to make it different, let's say go to the grid setting. Okay, this is the grid. Okay, in the source section, how you will get here? You will get here when you click on the already built grid. Click on the settings. This will take you in this screen. Now here, this will take you to naming screen. Then you need to click on the source section. There we just set alternate image, and these are the same, you can see. Okay, so as we need to change this one in terms of the pop-up text as well, and the image itself also. So let's say edit this element. Okay, here you see the image. You can change here. Okay, and then just remove this image and choose a new one. Just say like which image we're gonna add there. So we're gonna use this guy's image. Just choose that image. Okay, this is the image. But one thing, as I told you, that the pop-up ID, it needs to be different for the second grid as well. So that means this is that ID that we had created for the first grid. So for the second grid, we need to create another pop-up similar to this. I already created that all this pop-up. We can just add any of this one. Like I already created this one, Nicholas says, and this says. These are the text pop-up I just created. Let me show you. If you edit this one, you will see. But if you want to create a new one, you can also create a new one. So let's say how I created that one. I just put it the title and just put it some kind of text here. You can put anything here almost. Like if you want to add any image here, you can add any image here from here at the add media. Okay, just title and then put some text, and then as I told you in the first video, you just need to change this one. It is already changed to manual triggering, so you don't need to change this one. This setting is like seconds after page load. This is the default setting, so you need to change this one, manual triggering. As I already created this one, so it was set to manual triggering. That is why. Okay, so three things in the pop-up creation process. Just put a title, then put some text, and then change the option here, triggering action to manual triggering. That's it. Okay, so just as it's already created, we can just copy this pop-up ID and place that ID into our grid post link section. Okay, so just all pop-ups, go to the all pop-ups, and then you see new classes. Suppose we want to place this pop-up, so you need to copy this ID and place it in the second grid, here in the URL and in the post link as well. Paste. Okay, so this one and this one will be the pop-up ID. We had already created this one. So just save changes. You see the images has been changed, and then save grid. Now see how it looks like. Okay, you see the second image is also changed. So the first image is different, second image is also different. So first image, what it says click image text appears, click image text appears. Okay, and the second image, if you click, it says Nicholas says. That means this is the different pop-up and this is the different pop-up. This way we can just separate or create any grid. I mean, create a grid actually by this way actually. So this is the example of if you click an image, the text will appear. So this is the example of first that we wanted to see actually. Next, let's say okay, this example I just already showed you. Next, say click on image in the cell and different image appears in the lightbox. This one you wanted to see, like here. If you click on this image, these different images appear. For this one, we need to, okay, this was the grid we just done. So okay, so we created this grid. Now for second example, we need to create another grid. So create new grid again. This is for second example. I'm gonna show you actually. Okay, let's go to see, I mean, put the name like this way, image A, appears image B. Okay, image A appears image B. This is the alias, whatever. You can put anything here actually. That doesn't, I mean, that is not a big fact. But we just need to just if you are relieving, then we could find this out really easy. Okay, so this is the naming. Then go to the source again. Similar wise, we will not use post page or custom post. We're gonna use custom grid editor below. Just click on this. We're not going to use featured image as well in this image. We're just going to use alternate image, and then let's say we are going to create a grid here. We are going to create a image grid. So click on this image, single image. What happened? Okay, I think it's not loaded properly. Anyhow, it will work actually. Okay, so choose image. Okay, so this is the first appearance image that we are going to select. Let's say we're gonna select this image, choose image, and in this section, all of this you don't need to worry about. Just as I said, in the URL and in the post link to section, we need to create another pop-up here. Okay, let's say I already created this image AB section, actually image AB second, image AB1. This is the pop-up I already created there. So in this pop-up, image AB1, I just put it one example image there. So if anyone click this image, we're gonna connect this image. So as I said, I already created this pop-up with the title, and for this I just added an image from the library. Let's say this one, inside in the post. So this image, okay. And then, as I said, as always, the trigger action should be always manual trigger. And then we just update this one, or as it is already created, so I am updating it. For you, if you want to create a new pop-up, you just create a new one. Go to the all pop-up to get the ID, image AB1. Okay. The fact is that for each grid you need to create a unique pop-up with the unique ID. Like this one, image AB1, this is the unique ID. Just copy this one, and then as I said, in the grid setting here, which is where we left, you need to URL this one, the ID, and the post link also the same ID, and add that element. Okay, as previously I showed you, you can just duplicate this one and change the image, and so as create a new pop-up, and then just copy that new pop-up ID and then just paste in the new element. Okay, just save the grid. Okay, so image A appears image B. This is the shortcut for the grid. Copy this one and then just go to the editor of the page where we want to show. This is the first grid we created, and this should be the second grid we created. Just update this one. Refresh this page. We should have a new grid item. Here is the new grid item. So if you click on this one, then another image is appearing. Actually, this is the another pop-up we just created here. Okay, so this is another example I showed you. Just like click one image and second image will appear, right? Okay, so this has been done. Okay, in the next video I'm gonna show you the third item, that is click on an image cell and Wistia hosted video place. Okay, I'm gonna show you this one in the next video. Okay, thank you.